So here what we saw in the last week is introduction. Last 2 weeks is introduction to SAP, introduction to business. What are the basics? Introductions to basics, SAP architecture, system landscape, define company, okay, and define company code, business area, assign company to company code, maintain fiscal year variant, define company code to fiscal year variant, define variants opening, posting periods, assign variants to company code, opening and closing of posting periods, define field status variants, assign company code to fiscal year variant, define tolerance group for employees, define document type, define document number. That all we are going to cover today. So the tolerance group for employees, define document type, document number ranges, payment terms, credit control area, functional area, and assign company code to credit control area. These are the areas we are going to cover today. And after that, tomorrow, what I am planning is parking documents, payment terms, accounts payable, accounts receivables. I'll go with the BP configuration, that is business partner configuration for vendor and customer, cash journals that I covered, cost center controlling area that I'm going to cover, foreign vendor and customer invoice payments that I will show you how to do that. Okay, finally we'll go with the GST, that is input and output tax. So input tax is normally comes for the procurement of goods, that is vendors, and output tax will be sales. Okay. So today first we are going with this posting period variance. Okay. Then we'll go with the payment terms and also document number ranges and document types. How many of you gone through this book? Whatever I shared. Hello. How many of you gone through that? Hello. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many of you gone through this book and also done the exercise and all?
Sir, I have not attended the last two classes.
Not attended last classes. Okay. Others? What about others? Others? Oh. Hello. If you reply only, I can able to go further. Others, how it went? Priyanshi, are you there? Hello. Is there? Hello. Can you hear me, right?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah. So others? Okay, no problem. So next we are going to see about maintain the profit centers, cost centers, and segment. This is the CO part. Okay. So what is meant by cost center, profit center, and segments? See how the profit center and cost center and also the um, segment will be defined. So the lowest level will be cost center and highest level will be segment. Okay. So for example, I will take an electrical company, maybe. Okay, electrical company I'm taking. Okay, so they are manufacturing three different types of products. So that I'm taking as an electrical company as example. So they have three areas of manufacturing. Okay, so all the electrical equipments, electrical, not electronics, I'm telling electrical things, they are manufacturing. For example, one is fan, that is in ceiling fan. Second one is lights. Okay. So next is nothing but, so three areas, three things they are manufacturing. Lights and electrical items will be switches. So these are the three things they are manufacturing. So under fan, sorry, three things they are manufacturing. Under fan, they are manufacturing another three things. For example, ceiling fan, um, ceiling fan or table fan or wall mount fan. So wall mount fan. So these are the three types of fans they are manufacturing. Lights they are manufacturing bulbs, tube lights, and chandeliers. Chandeliers. So these are the three lights they are manufacturing. Switches they are manufacturing. For example, heavy, medium, and normal switches. So these are all called as the profit centers. So normal switches. So these are all called as the profit centers. So once you are receiving, okay, please understand, once you are receiving, okay, the orders from the customers, okay, so which segment you are getting the order? For example, fan. What is the product that is called as the profit center? For example, ceiling fan. So this is called as the profit centers. For all the sales related activities, profit centers will come. Okay, to manufacture this ceiling fan, okay, there will be some procurement activities will be there. Correct or not? Hello, hello. Are you there, guys? Are you following me or not? to manufacture this ceiling fan, we need, for example, it is a 3 blade. That means 3 blades. 3 blades, first thing. Second is motors, that is inside that IC, we call it as IC motors. Okay, that is inside, there will be a motor will be there. Fuse points, fuse conductor, fuse conductor. So these are all the materials you require to manufacture a ceiling fan. Correct. So this all comes under the cost centers. So what are the costs involved to manufacture this ceiling fan? So based on this only, we will do the COPA analysis, that is cost and profitability analysis, and fixed price for this product. You got my point? Yes or no?
So can you repeat?
Yeah. So these three are called as segments. So which segment we are doing the sales? Okay, that is a production of goods and sales we are making. First thing. Second thing, this and all, the ceiling fan, table fan up to wall mount, I put it here. This is called as the profit centers. Profit center is nothing but where we are getting more orders and do the sales. Because of this product only, we are getting the profit. So which profit center is making more profit? So the profit center will be ceiling fan, table fan, wall mount for fan segment. For light segment, it will be bulbs, tube lights, chandeliers, like that. For switches, it will be heavy. That is, heavy switches is for using an heavy for AC, air conditioners, refrigerators. So all the electronic items, they will use the heavy. Medium is nothing but normal, like what is it? Simple things like routers. Okay, routers or small type of things like that. Small switches is like used for the lights, fans, and the bulbs and all. Okay. So the socket, that is an electrical sockets, will use the medium one. So these are all called the profit centers. Okay. So how we are going to sell this? How we are going to fix the price for this profit? How to make a profit out of these products? So for that, we'll have the CC, that is cost center. Cost center is nothing but to manufacture one ceiling fan. I'm telling you, one ceiling fan, we need multiple products. Like we need IC. IC is a semiconductor, um, fuse conductor, IC motors inside them to roll the fan, blades to produce air. Okay, the pipe to support the fan to be fitted, screws, nuts, and bolts. So these are all the things you are spending to manufacture one ceiling fan. I'm just taking a ceiling fan. Bulbs means, so what are all the items? Like inside that, how the glasses, and if it is a LED light, how the lights needs to be produced. So what is the watts we want to put, 25 watts or 50 watts, whatever maybe. Tube lights, bulbs will be there, and inside that conductors will be there. So all these are come chandelier lights, how we are going to produce. So the cost involved to do the production of that particular product. Okay, that is called as. So this is nothing but the fan, lights, switches, ceiling fans, bulbs, and all profit centers. To produce that product is nothing but the cost centers. So based on this expenses only, we will arrive the cost of the product, and we will fix some profit for that. Okay, so the transportation cost, all admin cost, production cost. Just 1 second. பொம்பு கொடுத்துட்டு போயிடும். ஆமா நைட் அவர் புரியர் அனுப்பணும். சரி அவருக்கு அவருக்கு கூட தான் கூட்டு போயிடும். So these are the fuse conductors. So COPA analysis needs to be done. That is cost and profitability analysis needs to be done. So to fix an price for that particular product. So this is called as COPA analysis. Got my point? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So under the segments we have profit centers. Under profit centers we have cost center. So the segment field or characterizes a new standard account assignment object which is available from the SAP ERP solution in F5. So the account assignment already used in bank which are still available is profit center, business area, profitability segment, that is COPA, user defined fields. Okay. So now the new field called a segment also added on top of the profit center. So on top of the profit center, it will start with segment. After that, profit center, business area, profitability, segment of COPA. After that, cost centers will be there, and any other user defined fields that needs to be added. So derivation of segment, how the
Excuse me, sir.
segment will be derived. So
Excuse me, sir.
yeah,
Sir, why we are doing this for calculating the profit of a particular segment of product?
see at the time of posting an entry, see for example, you are a salesperson. Okay, imagine very little. Okay, you are a salesperson in a car showroom. Okay, so you are responsible for the segment called uh, segment called you are responsible for the segment called hatchback,
SUV.
for
SUV.
example, hatchback or whatever maybe. Okay, so another two persons are there. They are salespersons. One is for SUV, another one is for what is it? Sedan. Okay,
MUV.
sedan. Okay. So what happens with these are the segments. So under this sales, you are a sales manager. Under that, we have multiple profit centers. Like if you take Maruti, you have hatchback like what is Alto will be there, Wagoner will be there. That are the profit centers. You got my point? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
to arrive that value of that particular car, that is nothing but the, for example, Wagoner ZXi. So they are fixing a price for 8 lakhs. But if you take Wagoner LXi, it will be 6 lakhs. Why the 2 lakhs difference? Because of the manufacturing cost involved. So what are the extra facilities we are giving? So for that manufacturing cost will be involved. So that is called as the cost centers. Okay. So like this
Yes,
only
sir.
we are going to fix the price for that Wagoner and Alto and all. As a sales manager, you have to report to your general manager, AGM, for example. So how much sales you have made? So under hatchback segment, which profit center has made more profit? For example, there is a more sales in Wagoner. So what happens means normally the company will concentrate production of Wagoner more when compared to Alto. So analyze the demand in the market first thing to arrive the cost of the product. So for both of this, we need to do this segment profit center and cost center. You know, Ritz has been introduced, but they stopped that car. Zen Estilo they introduced, they stopped the car because the market demand is not there. When they introduced Wagoner, the market demand for Zen and Estilo has been down. So they stopped that. Correct.
Yes, sir.
When they introduced Alto, the Maruti 800 market has been down. So they stopped that. Like that only it will go. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So to analyze all this market, to analyze or fix the price of the product, and all the profit center and cost center plays a vital role. So here itself, you know that who is the responsible person, which department he belongs to, which hierarchy area he belongs to, and what is the segment he belongs to. So all these are comes under this basic data. That is the profit centers. You got my point?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, I got it.
Yeah. Now you understood, or I need to repeat? Can you move
Sir, I
me?
got it.
Yeah.
Sir, got
So how the postings will be made? See, this is the account number, this is the cost element, this is the company code. So cost center is this, profit center is this, functional area is this, business area is this, chart of accounts will be this, segment will be this. Sorry, controlling area. COE is controlling area is 1000, segment A, and the sender cross center. So like that, for example, the material management production, material motion controlling objects will be there, and general ledger documents without professional information. So the segment will be entered manually. Body is nothing but the business add-on programming. Substitution rules will be arrived. Standard account assignment will be there, and controlling objects like cost center, internal and so on. And sales order also will be arrived. How all this will be derived is nothing but, for example, if you give one GL account number and put one profit center and post on entry, so how that profit center is mapped to which segment, that is also automatically arrived. And this profit center where this cost center has been mapped, that is also posted automatically. If you put only segment, profit center and cost center automatically arrive. If you put profit center, cost center, and profit center will be arrived. So like that, it will be automatically do. That I will show you in the practicals how we can able to do that. So after posting an entry, when you analyze that, the profit center, the segment field is not changeable. So once you post only entries in the profit center using the profit center, then we cannot able to change the segment. Okay. Assume the following master data assignment. That is, for profit center 1, it will be segment B, 2 is segment B, and 3 will be segment B. So one profit center will have only one segment, but one segment will have multiple profit centers. Got my point? Hello? Are you there? So one profit center, we have only one segment, but one segment we have multiple profit centers, because under hatchback segment we have multiple profit centers like Wagoner, Alto and all. But under Alto, we have, it is reporting to only one segment. You are the sales manager. We cannot able to put 10 sales manager for one Alto car, Alto segment. Sorry, Alto profit center. Correct. Hello. See, these are all very important, because when you are going for interview, that is campus interview, they will ask whether you attended the any SAP trainings. If you tell yes, they will ask this question. They will give an business example like this. Like for example, for our company, we have one segment called plastics. So under that plastics, we have multiple profit centers like plastic pipes, plastic chairs, plastic stools, like that. Okay. Under that stools, we have three segments: small, medium, and tall. And they will also whether it is possible or not. You have to answer. If you tell possible, then you are rejected. If you tell not possible, because under the profit center we can able to create only cost centers, not segments. Like that, you have to tell. You got it? Hello, are you there? If you tell any answer, only I can able to go ahead. Hello. Segments have a time reference, true or false. Okay, I will going to create an segment profit center. Then you can understand that. So here in SPRO screen, under that enterprise structure, under that definition, financial accounting, we have that defined segment, this one. Okay. So here we want to put it as new entries. I will put it as 4 digits, 1, 2, AB 1, 2. Test segment, save this entry and give OK. So AB12 has been created. So I created one AB12. That is a segment. Now I'm going to assign this. Okay. So assignment, financial accounting. Okay. We'll assign through that profit center itself. So the T code will be, I'll put it here, KE51 for profit center create. Okay, create profit center. KE52 profit center change. Change profit center. KE53 display profit center. Okay, profit center display. Okay, this is the profit centers. Next is cost centers. KS01 cost center create. Okay, and after that we have the KS02 cost center change, and after that we have the KS03 cost center display. Display. Okay, so this is the main thing, that is create profit center, change profit center, display profit center, create cost center, change cost center, and we have the display cost center. Okay, so these are the main areas we are going to work. Okay, segment I already created. There is no shortcut key for that. We have to go like this only. I will put it here. So I have given all the details to you. Okay, now I'm going here, put /n, enter. First I will go to create a profit center. Okay, KE51, controlling area will be 001. Okay, profit center I will put it as AB1, 2, 3, for example. Profit center will be I'm just taking that from just 1 minute. I will check that what is the profit. Just 1 minute. is correct. Yeah, I'll take 1000 as a controlling area. Okay. So you also note down that I'm taking 1000 controlling area. So there only we are going to work because we are going to use the 1000 company code. I'll put it in the chat box. Okay. So we are going to use the company code also 1000. So this is the main thing. You are going to work on that. So controlling area is 1000. Percent, sorry, company code is also 1000. CC is company code. Okay. So these are the two things we are going to work for that. Okay. So at the time of practice, if you are going to practice yourself, please use this only. Okay, don't go beyond this. So KE 51 controlling area is 1000. Profit center. First, I fill my profit center. This is your own. There will be no availability. I'm just doing it. A B 1 2 3 and profit center will be controlling area of just 1000. So I'll take this 1000 Robert, that is motorcycles. So that is a profit center. Press enter. Oh, controlling area. Sorry for that. Change the controlling area. Controlling.
Organizations.
Output 1000. I'll put this T code also for you because if you have any trouble, you can go to that. Always set it for 1000 because that is properly set. So okay, KS that is to set set controlling area. Just 1 minute. For that, there is a problem in that. So I just have an emergency call. Really sorry for that. So here I want to set it. Now I set to 1000. Okay. And now go to KE 51. Okay. So AB 123. Controlling areas automatically picked as 1000. Profit center, I'll put it as 1000. Enter. So once you come here, you see here the controlling area here. If this controlling area is different from 1000, I'm repeating. See here, the controlling area 1000 is different. The like 0001 or whatever may be. Just go to OKKS and set the reset the controlling area and come back, because other controlling area we have not properly set for this training. For training purpose, we have set this controlling area only. Okay, got my point? Hello. First of all, I want to know whether everybody is in call or not. Just 1 minute, I will come back. Only 3 people are there. Hello. Hello. Okay. So this is the profit centers. We are going to create an profit center. Okay.
विघ्नेश सब लोग लीव कर गए
Pardon?
Everyone has left, right? Left the meeting.
No,
I
the thing
think
is only 3 people are there. They are not at all responding. I don't know whether they are in the line or not. That's also I'm really confused.
okay. So let me just check. Priyanshi, are you there?
No,
Are you there?
I just asked a lot of times. No reply from them.
हाँ तो probably वो लोग log in करके चले गए हैं, right?
Yeah.
Perry Mugilian, are you there? Priyanshi
Yes, ma'am.
Sharma. So why are you not responding to sir if you are there, or you are just roaming around here and there after doing the login? Tell me. Tell me clearly. Like I won't mind the fact. Now again you have gone without responding to me. Priyanshi, what about you? Mugilan, Shivam?
Shivam just now joined.
Yeah, just joined, right?
Yeah.
You just teach, you just ask once. If they are not responding, just proceed, right?
Okay.
No point chasing them.
Okay.
Yeah, do that way.
Yeah, definitely. So this is the create profit centers. So we have that analysis period is 1/1/2024. That is from which date and which date it is, up to which date it will be active. Okay, so the name will be motorcycles. I'll put it as motorcycle 2. And long text, I'll put it as motorcycle 2. User responsible, I'll leave it blank. Person responsible, Robert. Department, it belongs to products. It belongs to vehicles. And this segment, I will change it to. So whatever the segment I created, I'm just going to enter here. Okay. So what is the segment I created is nothing but AB12. So I will put it as AB12, that is 12. That is test segment and indicators. So this is the main thing. So if you want to lock this profit center, we can lock it through lock indicator, or we can able to set this profit center as dummy profit center. That is also possible. And form planning template is nothing but how the COPA analysis needs to be done. So this will be created by the Abapus as a program. The template will be created. So based on that, the formula, how the formula needs to be done, that is COPA analysis needs to be done. Otherwise, the standard formula will be taken into consideration. The SAP standard. Okay. And company codes will be, what are the company codes is assigned. Here, we can have the list of all company codes. See, 1000 is that, 0005, 0007. So what are the company codes which is assigned to that controlling area 1000, that is automatically assigned here. Okay. So the automatic assignment of company code also available here. So the best run new GLs, everything. So any company code, if you don't want this profit center, they can able to take out this tick mark as assigned and they can continue. Okay. So the segment, there will be no direct assignment to company code for segment. So it is indirectly assigned to company code through this profit center one. Okay. So the address, this is the address where that is situated. If you want to give the address, you can give, or you can leave it. So automatically default, it will take the company address. Communication is nothing but what is the language and who is the responsible person's telephone numbers, fax numbers, printer name, data line, everything will be the history. It will show you who created this and when it is created. Okay. So after this, we need to save this. So it is a inactive status only. After save, we want to activate it. So this is the activate button. So the profits under AB123 has been activated. You got my point? So this is how we need to create the profit center. I showed you how we created the segment, how we created the profit center. Now we are going to create the cost center. Okay, so this is how the cost center, sorry, segment and profit center has been created. Now we are going to create the cost center. So already we are given the shortcut key for that. So /n, that is exit, KS01. So here the cost center, we need to give it on our own. Okay. So the controlling area by default, it is taking us 1000. If otherwise this 1000 is not there, then we can go to the T code which is shared in that. That is OKKS to set the controlling area. Okay. So like that we can able to set it also. So now I'm going to create one cost center. I put it as AB123 or 1234 for example. Okay, valid from is I'll put it as 01/01/2024. Cost center is nothing but search button. Repeat, it is click on the search button. It will take you here. Here company code you put it as 1000. Controlling area 1000. Company code is also 1000. Start search. Here I am taking a 1000 cost center. Okay. So here how the relationship will be, Segment will have multiple profit center, but profit center will have one segment. Profit center will have multiple cost centers, but cost centers will have only one profit center. Okay, this cost center will be assigned to only one company code, not to multiple company code like profit center, because under that one profit center we can assign it to multiple company codes, they can use it. But cost center is not like that. One cost center is created that is particularly for that particular company code only, not for any other thing. Okay, now press enter. So this is the corporate services name. I will put it as 1. Description I will put it as 1. So this one all will be same, but profit center I will change it to, instead of 1402, I will put it as AB123, which I create. Okay. Yeah, AB123, that is in motorcycle. Okay. So I just taking that AB123. Control area is nothing but where and all needs to be done. So I don't want to lock anything. It can be used for anything. But if you want, you can lock as actual primary cost, actually secondary cost, actual revenues, plan primary cost, plan secondary cost, plan revenues, like that. Okay. And after that, templates, no particular templates. If you want, you can able to assign that address. That will be, I want to get it from the default from the company. Communication will be in English, that is language key, English. History is whatever I created. Okay, and save this entry. So her cost center has been created. So this is how the cost centers will be created. If you want to change anything in the profit center, for example, that is KE 52. So here press enter. We can change anything here. That is possible. And after that, we can able to save this entry also. That is also possible. Okay, see the segment got grayed out. We cannot able to change the segment. Once the segment is assigned, finished. We cannot able to change it. Next, how to change the cost center is /n KS02. That is a cost center controlling area 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can able to change anything. Okay, so that is possible. Okay, so like that we can able to change. If it is display, that is nothing but KE53 KS03. Okay, any doubts here? Can I proceed further? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sridhar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So this is how cost center, profit center needs to be created. Now I show you how to post an entry with this. FB. So this is for sales invoice. So I'm posting on invoice for them. So the T code will be FB70. So customer will be For example, I'll take that resident. Invoice date will be amount will be 10,000 euro. Sales revenue, domestic service, domestic finished goods. I'll take this 800,000. Amount will be 10,000. And I'll give the profit center here. Okay. I'm not giving cost center. I'm directly giving the profit center. Okay, cost center also, I think. Just wait. I think some error is happening. Here it is. Okay. The mistakes. Some issues are there. I'm just checking that. Please wait. Okay. Now I try to present. It will work now. No, sorry. Statistical projects. I think some problem with that posting, but the thing is, I just completed these three. Hello, are you there? I will check
Yes,
and
sir.
update tomorrow. That's not a problem. Okay, but posting is not proper, but maximum I have covered this. So what today we saw is we saw about that this one cost center and controlling area. It's with profit center. I have covered this, but I will after I post the entries, I will check you. The thing is this parking document, recurring document, payment terms, account payables, vendor down payment, account receivables. So this and all I will do it tomorrow. So we'll go with this accounts receivable, customer, down payments, accounts payables, payment terms that I will show you, and document number ranges and document types also. I'll show you tomorrow because today it got time for this to rectify this error. Tomorrow I'll definitely rectify it, and after that we'll go with this other things like parking, recurring documents, payment terms, document type, number ranges, and all. Okay. So any doubts here? Hello. Hello. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
I can't get you. Your voice is wobbling. Hello. Yeah, Shivam, tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, so you
Okay,
understood
internet.
about what is segment, cost center, and profit center, correct? How to create that and all I given there. So the path will be available in the book itself. You can go through the path and create a segment also. That will be available in the SPRO screen. Under SPRO, we want to go to the enterprise structure definition. Under the definition, you want to go to the financial accounting. I will type here in SPRO definition. Under that financial accounting, under that we have the create segment, define segment. So click on that, we can able to define segment. So this is the path for segment. Okay. To create segment. So this is the path, that is SPRO definition, financial accounting, define segment. So you take this notes, just do all this like here. This is the segment I created AB12. So that is not an T code. This KE 51, 52, 53, K010203 and all. It's a thing. And OK KS to set the controlling area. You need to set it as 1000. Then only we want to work on that. So these are all the activities we want to do it. So after that only we can able to create. Okay. Any doubts here? Okay, we'll go with some quiz, something like that. So this is the create profit center, maintaining the profit centers, cost centers. Okay, so all these are comes here. So don't worry about that. It will be there. And this is the maintaining profit center, cost center. First, it will be segment also will be maintained here only. So the path is available in this only. See, this is the easy access screen, cost and individual processing create. So there also we can able to do that. Next, we are going to see about the customer vendor account. Okay, create the customer and vendor. So tomorrow I will show this, what is meant by customer and vendor, that is business partner creations. So after this, only the document types will be comes to picture, and payment terms, document, all those things will be comes into picture. So basic settings I've covered. I'm just going with this master data. Once I cover this master data, document control and posting control will be there. So these are the two things. Clearing and parking documents will also be available. So master data, I think tomorrow I will cover this master data. After that, we'll go for the document control in the next week. That is in the 2 days. Okay. So already we completed 2 weeks. This is the third week. Fourth week, I complete this posting control, clearing, document types, document things and all. So that is available here. That is accounts payable vendor, accounts receivable customer, BP configuration and BP configuration customer. This and all will be comes under this master data. Okay. And after that, cost center and controlling, I covered that. Cash journal, I already posted on simple entry. Okay. Define account group, retain earnings account and all. It's already I covered. Exchange rate. Payment terms, I will cover it. That will be available in this posting control. Payment terms, document type, document, define document type, define document number ranges. That and all will be covered in this master data itself. Okay. So next is finally we have the parking documents. That is the other things. See the parking documents, recurring documents, general ledger accounting. I already covered. That is FS00. That is the T code for that. Okay. So in this only the general ledger accounting, all the GL accounts creations will becomes here. So vendor down payments, account receivables, down payments I will cover. Okay. Customer down payments that I will cover. Credit memo and debit memo is nothing but the sales return and purchase returns that I will show you that. That will be available in the FB 75 and FB 65. That is the shortcut key. Okay. Who are all coming here? I will share the T code list in the group also. You can use that also. That I will be sharing the next week only, not now. After completing next week class, I will share that. Okay.